Hi everyone, welcome to Martin's Sticky Buns. I like making bread. This recipe for a white loaf is the very first bread I ever made. It has a good strong crust and great flavour and texture. If you want to try it yourself, the recipe's in the description box. Enjoy! We'll start with strong white flour. Next we'll add 20 grams of salt, 25 grams of butter, a large pinch of sugar and 7 grams or 1 sachet of fast action dried yeast. We'll set the mixer away on its slowest speed. We have 400 millilitres or grams of water. We'll start adding it to the dough. Now we'll speed it up. We'll give this a quick mix by hand. The dough needs to prove now. Mine will go into a warm place, which is the oven, set at 40 degrees centigrade. Covered with cling film means it will help to maintain the moisture. I'll leave it for about an hour. We'll put this dough back in the oven at 40 degrees centigrade. Give it about 30 minutes. It's ready for the oven. 190 degrees centigrade, fan assisted, and it will take the bread 15 minutes, then it'll be turned around and given another 10 minutes. Fresh from the oven, and it looks like a wonderful loaf. I'm going to leave it to cool down here for a while, then I'll come back for a taste. Wow, beautiful texture. Crust is good as well. That really is wonderful. Flavour is amazing. That crust really is good. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Remember to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye bye. I love making bread.